Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. I've got a Porsche Boxster that we just finished installing the gearboxes, cables, rods. We've done the timing as well. Timing was out, so we had to do a few adjustments because one side was seized, which caused one arm to sort of bend a little bit more. But I bent it back a little bit more to compensate for it, and then otherwise you're going to buy a new arm for it. So it looks alright. Can't really tell. I mean, I can tell, but a little bit of gap there, but you can't see it. It's not as bad as before, but looks good to me. Anyway, now we're going to actually put the roof up, and then we're going to see how it works. All right, let's jump in. Okay, put the roof up. Okay, lock it. Looks pretty good. Now we're going to put it down, put it back down. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.